Okay, hello. Today we are going to be talking about how to set up or make your own bulletin boards for Zoom so that it's a little more personal if you don't want the same boring background every day. So first of all, I use Google Slides, which is perfect because it actually fits the Zoom screen for the MacBook. And I've already kind of created this. So I've got the rainbow letters, which if you go to add-ons, you get rainbow or magic rainbow unicorns. It just lets you make rainbow letters. So if you want to make rainbow letters on your slides, that's what you do. And then for this, I just searched for a piece of clip art and then used the text feature right here to write my name. And you can just drag and drop everything. It's really, simple. I'm gonna go back. Perfect. And so if you want to search for an image, you just go right here to this little mountains and you go search the web. And so I've already kind of looked up because I wanted to add one more thing to my classroom. So I've looked up cabinets and I decided that I kind of like that one too. Well, I had decided the smaller one, but I think I'm going to go with this one. This one looks pretty cool. So I'm going to insert that into my thing, and now I got a cabinet. Now I kind of want it to be taller than me. And, oh good, this is another lesson for us. So you see that the cabinet's in front of the flags. I don't want that. So you can just, if you double click, that's cropping. If you right click, you go to order. Let's send to back. Let's send the cabinet to the back. So now the cabinet's in the background. Hopefully I'm going to be right in the middle of that. So cabinet over, cabinet's in the way. Maybe make it just a wee bit smaller. And so now I've added that feature to it. And so you can make these really easy. Just make a new slide and you can make it simple. So it's going to be a great day. You can have the Roar backgrounds. So once you have a background that you decide you like, you can go ahead and save it. So I'm just going to go, and this is how we're going to download it. So we're going to go File, Download, and then we want to go to JPEG down here. And it's just current slide, so have the slide you want to save saved. You're going to click it, and it's going to be in your Downloads folder. If you don't know how to access your Downloads folder, just go ahead and let me know, and I will help you out. Send me an email. Okay, well now that I have my new background made and we are in Zoom, it's time to install my cabinet. So I'm going to go ahead and so next to the video there's a little arrow. You press that and then you go to choose virtual background. From there you've got all these different backgrounds that are default. Some of them have video so you can see the wind blowing. We're going to add our own, so we're going to go to this little plus and we're going to click add image. You can also add videos. For different engagement purposes, and then I'm going to add my new background right here. And so now my cabinet is successfully installed, and my new background is behind me. I'm going to be getting a green screen later, so hopefully it'll look a little clearer than this, but for the moment this is what we have. Another fun feature for you to do is you can add features right next to virtual backgrounds. It says video filters. And you can add different sort of themed features to yourself, maybe to liven up certain days of school. So thank you for listening. Hope this helps you with a little bit of Zoom engagement. And stay gritty.